Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to ATL Knowledge Tech, the go-to destination for all things blockchain and cryptocurrency. Today, we have an exciting lineup for you as we delve into the world of crypto affiliate programs. That's right, we're counting down the top 5 best crypto affiliate programs that could potentially change the game for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our crypto adventure. Number 5. Binance Affiliate Program. Kicking off our list at number 5 is none other than the powerhouse of crypto exchanges, Binance. With its user-friendly interface and a vast array of trading options, Binance has become a household name in the crypto community. But did you know they also have an incredible affiliate program? Stay tuned as we explore the perks that make Binance a contender in our top 5. Binance Affiliate Dashboard. Once you become a Binance affiliate, you gain access to a user-friendly dashboard that lets you track your referrals, commissions, and more. With a tiered commission structure, the more people you bring into the Binance family, the greater your rewards. Plus, we'll uncover some exclusive bonuses you won't want to miss. Number 4. Coinbase Affiliate Program. Moving on to number 4, we have the household name that's synonymous with beginner-friendly crypto, Coinbase. But did you know they offer an affiliate program that could boost your crypto earnings? Stick around as we uncover the unique features that make Coinbase a must-consider for affiliate marketers in the crypto space. Coinbase Affiliate Benefits. From high conversion rates to a straightforward affiliate dashboard, Coinbase provides a seamless experience for those looking to earn while spreading the crypto love. We'll explore the perks, potential earnings, and why Coinbase is a fantastic choice for both newbies and seasoned affiliates. Number 3. Kraken Affiliate Program. Securing the third spot on our list is Kraken, the exchange known for its commitment to security and innovation. Kraken's affiliate program might just be the hidden gem you've been searching for. Stick with us as we unveil what sets Kraken apart and why it earns a spot in our top 3. Kraken Affiliate Tiers. Kraken's tiered structure offers enticing rewards, and we'll break down the details of how you can climb the ranks. Whether you're a crypto influencer or just passionate about the space, Kraken's affiliate program caters to a diverse range of individuals. Number 2. eToro Affiliate Program. Taking the runner-up position is a platform that's not only a game-changer in the crypto world, but also a pioneer in social trading, eToro. Their affiliate program is creating waves, and we're about to dive into why it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to monetize their crypto passion. eToro's CopyTrader feature. Imagine earning commissions not only from direct referrals, but also from the trading activities of those you refer. eToro's innovative CopyTrader feature allows you to do just that. Stay tuned as we explore how this unique element could significantly impact your earnings. Number 1. Crypto.com Affiliate Program. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Our number 1 pick for the best crypto affiliate program is none other than Crypto.com. Known for its all-in-one crypto platform, Crypto.com's affiliate program offers a combination of perks that truly stand out in the crowded crypto affiliate space. Crypto.com. Exclusive benefits. From competitive commission rates to exclusive bonuses and promotions, Crypto.com goes above and beyond to reward its affiliates. We'll uncover the details that make it our top choice and why you should consider joining the Crypto.com affiliate family. Conclusion. And there you have it, our top 5 best crypto affiliate programs that could potentially elevate your crypto journey to new heights. Each program has its unique features, so be sure to check them out and see which one aligns best with your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. As always, thanks for tuning in to your channel name. Happy earning, and may the crypto winds be ever in your favor.